Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make a book cover with AI. Start by defining genre, mood, and target reader, then pick trim size and orientation for your final file. Use prompts that describe style, lighting, and composition, then generate multiple options and select the strongest image. Refine typography with hierarchy, contrast, and readable fonts, and export final files in required formats for print and ebook distribution. Warm tips for prompts. Begin with the main subject and mood, add style references like minimalist or cinematic, then include lighting, camera angle, and color notes. Mention texture, focal point, and any elements to avoid. Generate several variations, compare compositions, and pick the one with strong silhouette and contrast. Keep a prompt log so you can reproduce successful results or tweak for alternative covers later in the process. If you're finding this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more easy AI design guides. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading reference books and checking cover mockups on the go, with a bright, crisp display that makes text and images pop. It's a handy tool for authors who proof on the move. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. When adding text, choose fonts that match the genre and ensure readability at thumbnail size, using weight and contrast to set hierarchy. Place title and author name where they won't obscure key imagery, and use consistent margins and safe areas for print bleed. Adjust kerning and leading for balance, and apply subtle effects like drop shadows or overlays only when they increase clarity. Proof thumbnails to confirm impact across platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.